Wait, folks, how's it all going? Oh, yeah, and I won't even give you a guess what I'm cooking on today. The Weber Q. I was looking at it last night going, wait, when was the last time you cooked on the Weber Q? So we're going to get this out, get this fired up. Folks, I found some of these chuck roast steaks at the butcher today. Now, this will be my third try at it. First time I was surprised and people told me, hey, that's the butcher's choice. And it was really good. Second time I found them was like, oh, this is what the butcher didn't want. And so now they had one package out today. So I've been dry brining it with salt for 8 hours now. I'm gonna wash it off, get some seasoning on there. Let's get the Weber Q fired up and let's sear ourselves some steaks, folks. All right, folks, so there's after about 8 hours, I used coarse kosher salt. I say that 3 times fast. Both sides heavily, and then just let them sit on an elevator rack. And you can see that's kind of what they look like. They start to change color a little bit. And that's good. That means it's helping to break down some of the enzymes within this. But that's a nice looking cut of steak. So I'll tell you what, we're going to get salt washed off there and season it up just a little bit. And we'll get you back over to the Weber Q. I got them all washed up, patted dry, and then put a little bit of the Zang, stir fry oil. You know, I love that stuff. And then, you know, we got plenty of salt on there, so no need for any more. So I talked about this stuff in the last cook, the Stone Mill salt-free. This is garlic and herb. I got this stuff at Aldi, and I really do like this stuff. It's really good. So let's get her on the grill. All right, folks, ready to go on about 450. This thing's on high, and I've had that the last couple times too, where it's not really getting. You know, these things usually crank out like 600 degrees real quick. And I don't know if I got a little bug in there or if there's something going on with the regulator, but should get half. I remember when I first got it, this thing was smoking hot. So let's get our steaks on. It'll still cook at 450. All right, we'll give you a couple look-sees. I'm getting hungry. All right, I did 2 minutes and then quarter turn, 2 more minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, look at that. Browned up real nice. That's almost perfect. So we'll do same thing, 2 and 2. And then we'll take a temp and see what we got. I'm looking for 120-ish on the inside. All right, there's another 2 and 2. So far a total of 8 minutes, if you're doing the math. Let's go into there, we're getting close. 107. 113 there. It's a little thinner right there. Yeah, 125. So I think, oh yeah, we're going to pull this off, let it rest for a little bit, and then give you a look-see. All right, folks, just let it rest for a couple minutes. I'm hungry. Let's remember, this is supposedly the butcher's cut. This is just chuck roast steak. So let's see what we got here. Look at that. Anybody want rare? That is rare right there. Beautiful. So I'm going to eat. Okay, I know you want to know, is it tender? Yeah. Not bad, not bad. So this one must have been the butcher's cut, because this is it's actually very good. So chuck roast steak, is it any good? Today it is. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.